Hey, hello there, welcome back to a big weather update today. Right now we have a pretty much a historic winter storm at this point right now. Um, so, um, this is gonna be quite an eventful couple days. We'll probably be releasing more weather updates going through the afternoon and evening hours. For the next couple days, we'll see, about that on how much I'm gonna upload, but, um, this is definitely gonna be quite significant. You can definitely see from the watches and warnings map. And now I'm gonna show in the next couple seconds, and you can definitely see right here. When I start with ice storm warnings. For ice storm warnings for Virginia, Oregon, winter storm warnings for Washington, Oregon, Idaho, Wyoming, Colorado, Utah, New Mexico, Texas, Kansas, Oklahoma, Louisiana, and this even includes Virginia, North Carolina, Arkansas. Winter storm watches for New Mexico, Texas, Arkansas, Missouri, Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, Kentucky, Tennessee. Now, I wouldn't be surprised if the winter storm watches expanded to Alabama potentially. I'm not seeing that as a high chance. Mississippi as well under Louisiana. Flash flood watches for Alabama, Georgia, Florida, and then also winter weather advisories. This is definitely gonna be a mouthful to say. Oregon, Idaho, California, Nevada, Oregon, New Mexico, Utah, Arizona, Colorado, Wyoming, Nebraska, Kansas, Missouri, Alabama, Tennessee, New Mexico, Ohio, Kentucky, and then you have Michigan, North Carolina, Virginia, West Virginia, Maryland, Delaware, New Jersey, Pennsylvania. It's definitely, and then we have wind chill warnings for Kansas, Nebraska, Missouri, Illinois, Iowa, Wisconsin, Minnesota, North Dakota, South Dakota, Montana, Wyoming. Wouldn't be even surprised if it stretches into portions of Oklahoma. This is definitely something significant, and this is definitely going on for the next while. This is definitely gonna be a very extremely active pattern, and we could see another one next week, next Thursday. Right now we're not gonna get way into it, but it's potential anyways for something like that. And as temperatures warm, the stream is gonna move up north, and CGHQ could be under a gun because with this winter storm we're only expecting like 1 to 3 inches at most. So not bad. That doesn't mean everywhere else is gonna get several inches. If we take a look at the winter storm severity index, you can see major still in the northwest with that near blizzard conditions, transitioning over to freezing rain. You can definitely see moderate impacts. That's what we're looking at mostly, and you can definitely see moderate impacts stretching from Illinois, Indiana, Kentucky, Tennessee. There's even major impacts actually for Oklahoma and Texas, even at small areas where you could see extreme impacts. I wouldn't be surprised if that expands over the next couple days, since this day is from day 1 to 3. It's expected to start taking place. It's in the developmental stages right now in Texas, so this is definitely gonna be quite historic, to say the least. I think there's a pretty good agreement in that. But you can definitely see high risk of receiving over 4 inches over Oklahoma, and then Texas, New Mexico, and then also stretching all the way to Colorado. This isn't the only first day. We still have a lot, and then we're gonna be giving you some small brief details on the next one. But this one, you can definitely see it right here. And tomorrow, you can definitely see it's gonna stretch all the way to the northeast. You can see Ohio, Pennsylvania, New York, maybe even a small bit of Indiana could receive over 4 inches. A high chance, even if you're in the moderate or slight, you could see over it. Just that's likely, anyways. And it's gonna continue to head off to the northeast. This is characterized as a cross-country winter storm, and I see why. And then this is day 2, and then day 3 though. That's when things are expected to get ugly. Then day 4, you can definitely see the northeast. It's still under something, around 50 to 70% chance with another system potentially forming over in Texas and Oklahoma. So that's kind of wild, and this is definitely going to But next one, this probably won't be. I'd suggest it's probably gonna shift more to the northward, as recent model guidance has been showing that. But who knows about that one? But this one's definitely unknown. Definitely see starting from Oklahoma, Arkansas, Texas as well. You're under a 50 to 70% chance right now. Anyways, receiving over quarter inch in liquid equivalent of sleet/snow. And then you can definitely see definitely the northeast, 50 to 70% chance of receiving 70-90. So that's kind of, things are only gonna get worse, and then we're gonna go over freezing rain. Since freezing rain, we could see freezing rain between from like damaging, maybe even crippling amounts. So we can definitely see Virginia, Maryland, Delaware, maybe you're under a moderate risk today. This is an ice storm warning, and that's not gonna change. So things are, the next day we're gonna be going over is basically the day 3, I believe. Day 3. It's moderate risk as well, and you can definitely see Louisiana. This even goes to the Gulf Coast. You have a possibility of receiving over a quarter inch of ice. Definitely see a small split also in Tennessee and Kentucky, Mississippi, and Louisiana right now seems to be the target currently, anyways. Even though you're in the slope, there's a lot of uncertainty that lies within ice accumulations right now, anyways. So apart from that, that's really it for the video, I have to say. Definitely wild ride rain. But apart from that, recent model guidance is giving me a foot of snow this week, so it's not the best news in the world I've ever wanted to hear, but goodbye. Because